Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up at the end. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below, as well as hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as our join button. Be sure to check out our membership perks. We've got so many options there, so many different tiers, so you will not want to miss out. As well as our merch store. We've got some great shade items in there, so be sure to check that out as well. Well, today got off of work and I immediately went to AMC in the IMAX theater to watch Godzilla vs. Kong. It was amazing. So I hope that all of you Godzilla Kong fans out there were able to watch as well. And yeah. Today is obviously, you guys expected it, the drop list for Supreme Week 6 and Palace Week 8. So I'm going to start with Palace, then we're going to get into Supreme. As you guys know, this is a big week for some Wheaties. Does anybody remember all the Wheaties commercials? Because I feel like I remember those so vividly in my mind. And I always wanted to be on a Wheaties box. That was like my goal as a child was, Mom, how do I get on the Wheaties box? So yeah, we'll jump right now into Palace, start with what's dropping this week for them. I've already spoken about the Gatorade items actually in previous drop lists, but they're actually going to be dropping those this week. I've kind of had my eye on this watermelon Gatorade tea, but we'll see if I actually am going to go for it. They obviously have the same things I've mentioned before, the jackets, the teas. Looks like the recycled teas didn't do so well because they will be dropping those as well. But also Palace is going to be dropping some of the Reebok items. Looks like they're doing, again, another collab with Reebok, this time on the classic silhouette. And they're giving us a couple different options. I don't know that I'm as huge of a fan of this one. Personally, it does come in an interesting coloring scheme. There's like a suede with a gum bottom. Then there is a all black and an all white option. I think shoe-wise, I'm probably gonna pass on this one. They do also have a Reebok collection of crew necks, and it's got like the crown on the P with the Palace London. And it looks like that's coming in black, white. And then we also have a t-shirt in the white and black color scheme, as well as a burgundy and gray. And then they also have an option of a cap, ball cap in, looks like corduroy material. So we've got yellow, black, and green for that, as well as some socks. I'm just not a fan of this specific logo that they're doing with Reebok. So fortunately, I think I'm gonna pass on that, but I do think I may be going for that one white Gatorade t-shirt. So we'll see how that pans out on Friday. All right, so now let's jump into Supreme Week 6. Start talking about some of my least favorited items, and then we'll get into the gist of my kind of top 5 selects of the week. So we've got some cross panel track pants that also have a jacket option in that track material. So it comes in an interesting coloring scheme. We've got a white and a black, and then this kind of minty green. I'm actually gonna fill in that minty green coloring scheme, but I have no clue where I'd wear that. It's like very vibrant. It's almost like the color of slime. It's so neon and bright. But the pants are going for $138, and that track jacket's going for $168. Then we have a dyed bear top. This is interesting. It's kind of, it's got like tie-dye going on here, and it looks like a bunch of dogs actually on here. Not my favorite, but it does look comfy, so not gonna hate on comfort on that one. That's going for $98. Then we have the suede Harrington jacket. Suede is just not something I want to think about coming up for the springtime. I don't know, that just seems like a very hot and heavy jacket. It comes in a camo, a pink, and a black color scheme. It looks pretty plain. It does have, it looks like Supreme on the front, but it's very, very difficult to kind of see that. So if you're going for branding on this one, you're not going to really get it there. And it's also $498. That's pretty steep for this jacket. Then we've got the wash satin camo camp cap. Interesting, satin material camp cap. I think I'm good on beanies and hats currently, except for maybe one, which you guys will see later on. But this one's not really standing out to me. It's got kind of, you know, a mixture of colors. We've got like a tie-dye-ish feel to this, a pink, a black, a camo, and a blue option. Those are going for $54. Then we have a Kangol Bermuda space cap. This is interesting. It's kind of old school. We also have another option in a different type of Kangol hat. And the Bermuda space cap is going for $60. The Bermuda 504 hat is going for $68. And the colors on that one are like a beige brown, a pink, a green, a black, and a red. Then we have this Muhammad Ali zip up shirt. It does kind of look cool how Muhammad Ali pops off of that shirt, but I'm not so sure about this zip up shirt that we've got going on here. That's going for $158. It does have two color options, a red and a black. Then we have the tonal checkerboard small box sweater. Though this actually kind of looks comfortable and basic, it's got like the checkered look to it, and that's going for $138. It comes in a pink, a yellow, a blue, a white, and a black. I really kind of like that pink. It's very nice for the spring, actually. But the box logo is quite small in there, so don't assume that that's going to be a big, massive box logo that's going to be popping off of that sweater. Then we have the St. Michael fleece jacket. As you guys know, it's Palm Sunday this week. We've got Holy Week going on, so it kind of makes sense why they're dropping this jacket this week. I think it's kind of cool, especially specifically the multicolored one. It does really look like a church stained glass window. The black and white one isn't so vibrant. It's not as appealing. I can't really make out what that is as much as I can the multicolor, and that's going for $198. Then we have the basketball jersey hooded sweatshirt with the Supreme on the front. I feel like a lot of these Supreme jerseys do tend to do pretty well. It's not too bad of a price point of $158. I guess you get the dual there, the hoodie as well as the jersey. That comes in a blue and orange, a black and yellow, or navy and yellow, as well as a black and red. Then we have this floral applique top. This is Supreme in a very floral pattern. I mean, hey, it's perfect for springtime, I guess. I do kind of like this orangey pastel color that they have dropping. They also have kind of a light baby blue, a white, a army green, as well as black. And that shirt is going for $78, which means that that's probably a nice embroidered shirt for that price point. And it's probably just really good material as well. Then we are getting into the Swarovski crystal options. We have the S logo sweatpants to match that hoodie S logo hooded sweatshirt. This one's price point is a bit steep, but makes sense. Obviously, we've got the Swarovski crystals, which are bringing that price point up. This is coming in a camo, a red, a white, a blue, a brown, a purple, as well as a black color option in both the pants as well as the sweatshirts. I'm not sure that I'm gonna go for that this time around, just because that's a $600 sweatsuit. Like, that's a lot. I don't know if I can bring myself to, you know, get both of those, but I don't know. Maybe I'll go for a hoodie over the sweatpants, but I don't think I'm gonna go for both. I am kind of feeling this new brown colorway. I haven't really seen that in the color options that Supreme has been giving us, so that may be kind of my go-to color that I go with this time around. Or that purple. You guys have probably seen in recent drops, purple seems to be just flying off the shelves. So that's definitely always a good color option to go with. Then we have the Cause Chalk Logo 5-panel caps. I'm actually excited for this because I want to get one to match my hoodie. I'm thinking about going for that pastel pink or that kind of pastel yellow colorway just because of the springtime, but it does come in a green, a gray, a black, a navy, as well as a red, and that's going for $46. Then we have the new Swarovski S logo beanie. It's a pretty pricey beanie, it's $88, but as to be expected. Then we have the Wheaties tee. We don't have the full-on exact look of what this tee is going to look like, but we will know tomorrow. I'm definitely going to go for it. It's $48. Unfortunately, we only have the mock-up, but I'm sure it's going to be great. And then that leads us into the Supreme Wheaties box. That's right, we have 2 options in a camo colorway of purple or yellow. And for those of you who don't know, this is US only. And those boxes are gonna be going for $8. And I feel like I'm gonna be healthy eating this Wheaties cereal, I don't know. All right, and last but not least, we have US and Japan only, the Supreme Slice Manual Carton Cutter. You guys have been seeing me probably open up a million boxes of my Supreme knives. So I'm ready to retire those knives and actually use a real box cutter. So I will definitely be going for this one, and that's going for $16. All right, there you have it. This is Supreme Week 6. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are going to be going for. I will have a lookbook up and ready to go for you guys tomorrow, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Again, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Feel free to leave me any other comments or questions that you guys may have down below. Hit me on the notification bell because we have a 10 coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will see you on the next video.